Hey everyone, if you've been wondering when you bought your Ryker, what's the best helmet to use when you're riding your Ryker? The helmet that you should get, it is determined by you. When you're riding a Ryker is more like a cruiser. Unlike a crotch rocket where you have to lean in, it's more aerodynamic so the wind hits the top of the helmet and then down. On a Ryker, you're sitting upright or you're leaning back. So there's really no bad helmet to wear when riding a Ryker. There's just preferences. For instance, I have a helmet that's just a full shield with no bottom. I like this helmet for a couple reasons. You just throw it on, hop on the bike, go. And it also keeps my beard intact, you know what I'm saying? So the other helmet I have, it's actually a full face helmet. And this one here has a chin strap. I also have a lens on it, so it actually is polarizing, so therefore it transitions with the sunlight and daylight and nighttime and all that kind of thing. This helmet here is probably by far my favorite helmet that I use, and I'm not endorsing this particular brand, but I'm simply saying that the type of protection you get when you're riding is great. Also, I do some freeway driving, so when I'm on the freeway, this actually reduces some of the wind noise because it is closed underneath. And it also has a chin strap or a chin skirt to tuck everything in and kind of make it a little bit more aerodynamic. So with that, it just depends on your preferences, where you ride, how you ride, determines which helmet you should use. I usually lean to this one first because depending on where I'm going, I may hop on the freeway or I might just take some of the streets. But if I don't, then most likely I'm gonna lean to my other helmet. For the ladies with the hair, good luck. I don't think there's a helmet out there that won't mess your hair up. So with that said, if you're gonna wear a helmet, just choose what's more preferable.